Okay, I wanted to do a follow-up on this story, LA military exercise, if you haven't seen my first video yet. But it was posted by David Perez, KFI News, and I believe this guy was an editor, or well, that's what they told me anyways. And they get, or he got his news from these guys, City News Services. This is what they do. I went to Services and City News, and this is what they'll do is like, when news happens, in Orange County and San Diego, CNS will carry the story, when there's major breaking news. So I guess they either send it to you, by via different ways, and then there's also on a budget, and then they do entertainment news. So for scheduled events, so I think that the LA military exercise has been scheduled, and someone from the LAPD let them know, or the military, and I guess delivery options would be over the air, text delivery, internet, FTP, password protected website. And I guess you can get all this info from them and then post it on your website like they did in KFI and letting you know. But the thing would be is to know exactly where these areas are being held at, and actually to be able to film some of it. I think the people should should know this, especially when they're doing it at night, that this is when they come for to arrest someone or to take away their guns or so. So they're actually doing some type of martial law training. I don't believe that this is for upcoming overseas deployments. I really do not believe that. I guess if you do, then based on what's going on in this country, it should be the way the Constitution says, which controls federal government, and it's for the people, by the people, and we the people need to realize this.